Hi, I just wanted to talk about the experiment that I have set up for you for today. After you've watched those other videos, what you can do after you've done the first step, you can create chromatography butterflies or other magical things that you choose to do. But chromatography is a way where scientists take special paper, filter paper, and they're able to separate substances on that to determine more about the properties of some substances that they put on the paper. We're not using that paper, we're using paper towel. Now, if your parents have coffee filters, that works well too. I'm going to take some paper towel and I'm going to cut it into some strips. And then go and look through all your markers, and just so you know, markers are mixtures. These have to be water-soluble markers. Do not use permanent markers. Do not use a Sharpie, it will not work because it's not soluble in water and it won't spread. So you want to use markers that are dark colors like black, maybe green, purple. I would stay away from the yellows and the oranges. So then what you would do, you would take your paper towel, and this is an important step. You want to make a little dot. I'll show you in a minute here. Not all the way to the bottom, just enough. Now, what you could do, if you'd like, is to do a couple different dots, and you'll see, you may choose to do that as you see what happens. Then, you want to have a jar of water. As you can see, I don't have much water. I'm going to slowly place it in just where it hits the bottom. You do not want the ink to be touched the water right away. And then, I'll let it sit here for a second. And as you can see, I told you markers are mixtures, and you will start to see a separation of colors. If you keep this in for a while, some great things can happen, and you're patient, you can come back and see. This is one that I started, and it took about 20-30 minutes for this. If you can see really close up, all the different colors of the rainbow, and that's black. So now you know that black is made of many colors. And then I have another one. This was my purple I did today. Doesn't look that great. You can see maybe a little bit of the yellows and the oranges. And then this is an example of a permanent marker, how nothing happened after many hours actually sitting in there. It does not separate. When you're done with that, some of those videos show that you can, fold them, make it into a little butterfly, or do something else. But what's really important to think about when you're done, good scientists always ask questions. What other paper do you have in your home that you could try this with? I have some napkins from maybe takeout food. You could try that. Or you could try just regular paper at home and see if that works. So hope that helps. Have some fun with this. Involve the family.